Hey, Shad here with Speed Addicts, the fastest growing gear site on the web. Today we're going to uncrate Burly's control kit. What's up, SpeedX fan? Before we talk to you about Burly brand's control kit, aka a control kit extender, before we jump into that, subscribe to the Speed Addicts channel. Get locked in. It's going to take you a click. Then you're going to get up-to-date, educated on all the latest parts and gear coming your way in the power sports industry. If you're subscribed, then you don't have to worry about missing out. Also, if you'd like to support us here at speedx.com, you can do so by simply shopping with us. There is going to be a link in the description below. They'll get you right over to all the Burly brand control kits at Speed Addicts that we're talking about today. While you're over there, get a new helmet. Yours is ratty, I promise you. Okay, back to the matter at hand. Burly brand. So, you want to throw some apes on your Harley, but it's not that easy, okay? You're going to have to extend your control cables and wiring, and that's where Burly brand comes in. This is the #1 brand of control kit extenders. So if you want to put some bigger bars on your bike, you're going to have to buy this along with the bars. Burly also makes a full selection of beach bars, apes, all sorts of stuff, so we carry all of their bars. So you can do 2-for-1 shopping at Speed Addicts. Now, they have a couple different flavors of kit. They have the, this is our most popular, right? So this is a vinyl-coated cable kit. You're going to get the clutch cable, the brake cable, and possibly a throttle kit unless your bike is fly-by-wire, okay? So you can get them in vinyl, or you can step it up. If you're fancy, you deserve it. You can get the stainless steel kit, which I don't have here right now, but same thing, but with stainless steel braided lines. They are pretty, but they're about twice the price. So these kits start around $200, and they can go up closer to $500 if you want the stainless, okay? You need to find the right kit for your machine. If you're having trouble, talk to our rider support team. They are there to help you. Don't mess up and order it twice. That's annoying, okay? Don't do that. Make the first decision, the right decision, and if you're not sure, rider support at Speed Addicts is there to help you over the email, live chat, or phone. Okay, there are going to be different lengths and different kits for ABS versus non-ABS. Those are the decisions that are to be made. If you have an ABS bike, I definitely recommend you having a trained mechanic, hopefully someone that's done these before, install it. The instructions specifically state ABS machines should be serviced by an authorized Harley mechanic. When you're messing with the controls, this is important. You want to stop, okay? The lengths, 8, 12, 13, 14, 16, and 18 inches, depending on what bike you have, okay? They're not always available for all the different machines. It'll be narrowed down in some cases. My recommendation to you is to round up. So if you're putting 16-inch apes on your bike, buy the 18-inch kit, because in our experience, when you go just 16 to 16, it can get a little snug sometimes if you have the bars completely thrown over and you don't want to bind. It's better to have a little bit extra than not enough length on your control cables. Hope that makes sense. So you're going to get a giant pizza box that looks like this one. It's going to have, like I said before, a clutch cable. Everybody gets a clutch cable. #1 thing people do wrong with the clutch cable is over torque it. 60 pounds per inch. Do not exceed that. You will break this, and then you'll be super bummed out. Don't do that. Don't over tighten your clutch cable. Otherwise, that's pretty straightforward, okay? Also, this is a fly-by-wire setup, so you're not going to see a throttle cable here, but you do have your brake line in here, again, in black vinyl, and then you've got all the fun wiring harnesses with the heat wraps here to cover those up. So, again, I'd recommend having a technician install these. If you want to go for it, make sure you're following the instructions. The folks at Burly brand are pretty helpful if you run into any snags there, okay? This is the Burly brand cable line extender kit. It's available at speedaddicts.com for a variety of Harley Davidsons when you're going to put on that new set of bars that either needs to have shorter cables or longer cables. 1-year warranty from Burly brand. That does it for today. We'll see you next time to find out what's in the crate.